All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are in Mexico. The wind is actually kind of crazy out here today, so I do apologize for that. We got the most raced S650 over here with the Whipple. Some Mustangs. Yeah, twin turbo Mustang, hell yeah. That's pretty badass. Some Vipers over there. I'm trying to get some action with the Vipers, low key. I don't care if I get my doors blown off. I've never raced a Viper, so you know you gotta go ahead and try it out. It's dark as hell, but there's a big turbo truck. Another turbo truck right here. Got my boy's Pro-Charged Mustang D1X on 93. I'm really trying to go ahead and see what's up with the Vipers though, because I feel like those could be some pretty interesting runs, win or lose. I've never raced a Viper before, so I definitely want to see how that goes. Man, look at this. 3 beautiful Vipers, man. ACRs too. I remember my first time seeing a Viper ACR back in Chicago. It was like right by my house. Some dude drove right by. I was like, oh my goodness. It's just crazy. Damn. Man, dude. These are so clean, bro. Viper is one car where I would be kind of scared to drive because they're just so raw. That's insane. I hope the wind isn't too bad, but hey man, we just gotta appreciate these machines right here. It's crazy. I know the wind is probably insane right now. I'm pretty sure all these are I think these two are heads cam. I don't know how much that makes, but it's a Viper, so it's pushing some steam. This one I think is twin turbo. We are staying far, far away from this car. Beautiful, man. Damn. This is like final boss type shit right here. Literally. Oh man, the wind is insane. I think this is a sequential Viper too, twin turbo. These are obviously 2 manuals, heads cam. I wonder how many settings he has. And turn that bitch down to like 800. See what the see what's up. Nah, 800. Shit, I'd keep that bitch at 11. Ain't no having no Mustang run door to door. This is crazy though. Badass. Sick as hell, man. These are badass. Alright, so we're actually gonna go ahead and test out a truck. The guy said 850, stock bada bin 5.3 with twin turbo, so it makes 1,000. Whenever somebody says 850 in a truck, it makes 1,000. Stock bada bin 5.3, oh yeah, it makes 1,000. We'll try it out. We're probably gonna get gap. I think he actually raced the S650, and I think he jumped out on the S650, but he spun. So, fuck it. Sprocket here, I'm definitely, the clutch is definitely starting to slip up top. I think that's it, which kind of sucks because there is a meet next week, but at the same time, it's like 3 hours away. Oh well. I'm gonna have to get a new clutch in this car because this one is not, it's done. But, you know, we ended it off, you know, with a dub. I'm not gonna race again. I might run one more car, but it's like the engagement is like, I mean, I don't know. It's slipping, but it's not slipping bad. But I can hear it. That's wrong with that truck. Everybody's gonna be calling it. About a dip. Good runs though.
A few moments later.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. It is the next day, ladies and gentlemen. We're headed out to a little cars and coffee. This is actually to a spot that I haven't went to in a very long time. Should be good. We're gonna be pulling up late because honestly I completely forgot about this location and I woke up like less than 30 minutes ago and I was like, you know, might as well go out.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
Had a long drive from Mexico back to the States, so you know how it is. Now that truck was clean. That truck was clean. It was fast too. Stock might have been 5.3, twin turbos, nice paint job, clean engine bay. Man, we know what that means, y'all. 1,000 horsepower truck. That was a really nice run. Got those 2 races in. That road was definitely sketchy though, because I was like, man, that was sketch. And we had a turn come up pretty quick as well. But man, this ESS G3R head unit is putting in some serious work. Really happy with the ESS kit, man. Shout out to ESS, shout out to Pat Built Performance. This kit has been putting in work. We ran a bunch of blower cars. We ran, at this point, 2 twin turbo cars. And so far we are undefeated against twin turbo cars, which is kind of insane to say, considering the fact that we have a centrifugal supercharger on the Shelby GT350. Not a crazy build, just a ESS kit, G3R.
In 1 mile, keep right.
With 115mm pulley and some E85 bend. Super happy. This setup is insane. Should have went with this over the Pro Charger immediately. It's already getting hot as hell too. It's like 96 degrees outside. It's not even 10 o'clock yet, which is nuts. Absolute insanity. Not even 10 o'clock and it's already like almost 100 degrees out. It's gonna be a heater today, I'll tell you that. Tonight as well, but it's in an area that I've never actually ran.
Use the right lane to keep right.
In before, and I don't really know the host. It's just like a bunch of guys then getting together, which is kind of sketch, honestly. We'll see what the vibes are. decent cars up there too, but you never know.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to merge onto I-45 north.
They got trucks on the side and everything right now. Got a Hellcat up there, not a Hellcat, look like a Hellcat.
Use the left lane to keep left to merge onto I-45 north. Keep left.
Wonder what cars are gonna be at this Cars and Coffee though. That's what I'm curious about. Man, I am tired, but
In about 12 miles, take exit 79B onto SH 242 west.
now that I'm actually up and headed out, I can't go back to sleep. That dude is kind of sketch. He just cut through like 2 lanes. The hell are you doing? What the heli? What the heliante? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get closer to the meet. My GoPro's actually about to die. I forgot to charge it last night. And I actually think I left my battery on with my GoPro connected. So that was dead when I woke up. And I have a battery that has like 14% life left, so we're gonna have to preserve this battery to the best of our ability. So I'll catch y'all when we get closer to the meet. If somebody pulls up on the highway, oh well, I'm vibing. They can catch me another day. All right.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
Looks like this is it right here. I feel like some people have left, but I am pulling up like incredibly late. Is my buddy here? Yeah, he's here. Shit, I scraped on something. There we go. Pulled up fashionably late, but it's all good. Got a C7 Grand Sport drop top. This one's clean. With the red interior. Red stripe too. Another Grand Sport. I like this gray too. I like Grand Sports, honestly. I really do. Manual car as well. Hell yeah. I do like the Grand Sports. They are clean. Carbon fiber track pack GT500. Clean. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, man. We had POV Drive, ran a truck, and a Cars and Coffee. If you guys enjoy, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and above all, stay safe out there, ladies and gentlemen. Wanted to go ahead and get it running with something that wasn't a Mustang. So you have something that's like, I haven't raced before, hit me up. Catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.